Hello parents, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all pre-nursery syllabus. So with the help of this syllabus, you can teach your child at home easily. So first comes the oral part. You can teach your child A to Z orally. Then you can make them practice to recognize the letters and their pictures. If you give them apple picture and the letter A, they should be able to recognize the apple, also the letter A. Next is recognizing sound of letters. Here if you give them some letters, they should be able to tell the sound of their letters, like A means A, B means B, C means K, like this K. They should be able to tell the sound of the letters. Then next, recognizing letters by sorting and matching. If you give them some worksheets of sorting and matching, they should be able to match the letters, also to sort the letters on sequence. Then sorting things from the letter sound. If you give them few things, and they should be able to recognize the things, and they should be able to sort the things as per the sound, like a, b, k, like this. Next comes the numbers. So you can teach them 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 numbers orally. Then give them some worksheets and give them some activities so that they can recognize the numbers, count the numbers, sort the numbers, then sorting numbers by counting and matching. All these activities and worksheets you can give them. Then next is general knowledge. So here you can teach them myself. Then they should be able to tell their name, their age, and they should be able to know whether they are boy or girl. Then some common body parts, like eyes, ears, nose, lips, they should be able to tell. Then common fruit names, mangoes, oranges, banana, all these names they should be able to tell. Then common vegetable names, then common animal names, then shapes, circle, triangle, square, rectangle, all these shapes they should be able to recognize. Then also the colors, red, yellow, green, blue, all these basic colors they should be able to recognize. Then next comes the rhymes. You can teach them all these rhymes, like twinkle twinkle little star, Johnny Johnny as papa, row 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 your boat, then Jack and Jill, Baba Black Sheep, wheels on the bus go round and round, one little finger. And also in Hindi, Machli Jal ki Rani hai, Hathi Aaya, all these rhymes you can teach them. Then next comes the written part. So here you can teach them to write the standing lines, sleeping lines, then slanting lines, left slanting, right slanting, then curves, left curve, right curve, up curve, down curve. First give them to trace them with the help of strokes, then you can make them practice on a plain sheet. Next is pre-writing activities. In my previous video I have shared about some pre-writing activities, so you also can teach them to your kids. Link will be given in the description box, so do check the video. Next is coloring and scribbling. You can give your child more and more coloring activities, and scribbling will help the child to hold the pencil correctly in future. So you can use jumbo colors so that they can have the grip to hold the colors. So this is about the pre-nursery syllabus. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.